Have you ever experienced something strange with your Alexa device? Multiple users have reported creepy noises and private details being revealed. From unexplained typing noises at 3 a.m. to questioning young children, these incidents are raising concerns about smart speakers listening inside homes and retaining personal information. Some users have even reported Alexa referencing their personal history without being asked. This has sparked a renewed debate about the safety and security of smart speakers in our homes. With so many devices connected to the internet, it's natural to wonder what's being collected and how it's being used.